boarding an American Airlines flight to the Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport from the Seattle-Tacoma International Airport would excite most airport passengers. So why did this airport journey go like this? On July 25, 2024, the Port of Seattle Police Department was called to the scene at the airport for reports of that passenger.
Basically, yes, escort her out and get her rebooked. Just drop them. She's being denied boarding at this point.
All right, pinch maneuver, I'll go around.
Do that side. Just hit her right here. So that's what I'm saying.
Are they explaining it, or we're explaining it?
They already tried. Didn't work. Well, I don't know.
She's wearing gray sweatpants and a blue long sleeve shirt.
I just saw her a second ago, and I
Hey, Chris. Is it, Chris, is it the lady standing in line again?
She's got a green shirt and long ponytail hair. I don't remember.
I think she's over here now. She got back in line.
My name's Officer Schoenberg. We're here for the police department. Do you mind if we have a conversation or something?
I'm trying to put you there.
So, are you
I'm not at any liberty to disclose that information.
Okay, so here's the deal. American is declining your boarding today, so you're not going to be able to get on this flight. So what I'd like to do is help you get rebooked for another flight.
I'm not sure why the reason why that would be.
Airlines are allowed to do that. Okay.
For what reason?
They're saying that you're intoxicated.
I'm not intoxicated.
It's not on your breath.
Cool, but I am.
So again,
I
this
have
isn't
had
a
a
criminal
concussion.
issue. This isn't a criminal issue. Do you need medical attention?
I've had a concussion. I'm just trying to make it to my flight. If you want me to walk the line, I'll walk the line through. I'm going to make this flight. My dead parents are on this flight.
Your dead parents are
My
on this
dead
flight?
parents.
Okay. So this flight, they're not allowing you boarding. So here's what's
I
going
don't
to
do
happen.
it.
Okay, so here's what's going to happen.
There's nothing
Try to
else.
force your way onto this aircraft.
But I haven't threatened anybody.
I understand. If you try to force your way in this aircraft, it's going to be a criminal matter. Okay. So I don't want you to step aside with me. We can have a conversation.
You're telling me she's not gonna take my boarding?
Yes, I can tell you that right now.
You're telling me this will be accepted?
They're not going to accept your boarding.
I'm not intoxicated. What do you need to do for me to tell you I'm not intoxicated? I have my status. I had hit by my ex-boyfriend and blunt force trauma. I'm trying to go work with you.
So is she being denied boarding by you guys? Supervisor.
So
No,
I asked you
I
once.
have been affected by something else
At this
externally.
point, it's an FAA regulation that we cannot. It supersedes your situation.
What do you mean procedural?
We can rebook you
I'm trying
tomorrow,
to get away for safety. You understand that?
but FAA regulations prohibit
But
carriers
there's
from
there's
boarding.
nothing of me
So right
that
now you're
debilitates. What of me
Right now,
debilitates you?
you
Because symptoms
are-
of a concussion show signs of. Like,
so with all due respect, I can rebook you, but you're not going to fly today. And if you're making it a little bit difficult,
I need you
get
to
to
know,
it.
tell me why I can't make this flight. I'm not debilitated.
Okay, so now,
If you need me to do anything in terms of sobriety,
No,
I'm
ma'am.
down. I've got a concussion. My eyes are dilated.
Let's put your file back up. You're going to leave the airport.
I'm down. I've got a concussion. My eyes are dilated.
We're
No.
back up. You're going to leave the
No,
airport. Come on, it's time to leave.
that back out and go.
Get your stuff. It's time to
I need
leave.
to know why you made your decision.
Put your hand
Put your
down.
hand down, pick your
It's time
stuff
to
up,
leave.
and you're going to leave the airport, okay?
Can you please
go.
tell me
Now,
why? What is the deciding
All right,
factor?
so I've
Because you're-
asked you to leave, now I'm going to tell you to leave.
Cool, but what is the? There, I can
Now
see
you're
the
trespassing.
airport. No,
You do
I
not.
can
You're
sue
not
the
booked on a
airport.
flight today.
No,
You're
I
intoxicated.
literally am booked.
and
I'm
so now
not
you're gonna leave.
intoxicated, and I am booked on a flight today. I've had a
Angela, this is your
concussion.
final warning. You are directed to leave the airport at this time. You will be placed under arrest for criminal trespass. I do not want to do that, but that's where we're headed. Let's walk with you. We'll figure it out. We'll take it.
Is that your bag?
Let's grab your stuff.
Do you want your bag?
I've had a concussion.
Okay,
I
that's
got
understandable.
beat by my ex-boyfriend.
Let's go get you.
I have nystagmus. Why won't you let me see my mom and my dad? Because I'm trying to get away from the situation.
We'll get you a
What the fuck are you doing to me, though?
Let's go.
Why? This isn't fucking fair. Dude, what the fuck? I'm asking you.
All right. There you go.
No, I'm asking you why you won't fucking ask. Like,
How many times do you have to be asked?
I asked you, why am I being arrested? Or
Well, now you're being arrested for trespass.
Trespassing nothing. Do you see me trespassing? Does anybody see me trespassing? Does anybody see me trespassing? Please, tell me.
So,
Does anybody
Seattle-Tacoma
see me
International Airport
trespassing?
regulations state that to be in the airport, you have to be a ticketed passenger.
I am. I bought
You're
a
not.
ticket. I bought a ticket.
Denied you boarding. You do not have a
Okay,
ticket
great,
today.
that's
So now
news
you are
to me.
trespassing.
That's
Let's go
news
that
to
way.
me, But I fucking bought a ticket.
Well, you had one. Then they rebooked you. So we
Then
asked you to
tell
leave.
me. Nobody told me otherwise.
Well, everything's audio video recorded.
You asked me. You
You were-
asked me to rebook me.
No, they told
No,
you
you
you were not
asked me.
flying. Everything's been video recorded, all right? So you can see it for yourself. Go ahead and request it. You were told at least 4 times.
Dude,
We
I'm
asked you to
just-
go. Come on, walk this
There's
way.
nothing wrong with me. I just want you
Okay.
to tell me what I'm doing.
We're not gonna walk.
We told you.
Why are you fucking pushing me, bro?
Are you
We have a car
discussing
here?
it? I'm at David 3.
Okay, we'll just
Can
go
I
to
talk
David
to you?
3.
I need to talk to some supervisor. I'm not being fucking held in custody. It's
No,
not
you're under arrest. You're
I
not being
did.
held in
I
custody.
didn't do
Go that
nothing.
way.
I
Head
didn't
down
do
that way.
anything.
Go that way. You're going to jail.
I
So go
didn't
this
do
way.
anything.
So, you can walk down to David 3 to his patrol car, or we can take you to David 3 to his patrol car. Which one do you want to
Can
do?
I talk to you, sir, privately?
Past that point.
You sorry? No, I'm not at that point, bro. What the fuck do you mean? Why am I fucking... What are you doing to me? This is harassment. This is harassment. This is harassment.
Leave. We told you to leave.
I wanted them to tell me
You didn't want to
themselves.
leave. They
No,
told you.
I
The
wanted
supervisor
them to
told
tell me
you.
themselves. What supervisor?
The one you were talking to at the
No,
door.
she had no idea.
It was a dude. You were talking to a
No,
guy
that wasn't
at
her,
the
an
door.
African woman.
No.
Dude, I'm not doing anything wrong. Just let me go. I didn't do anything wrong. How, what are you doing? What did I do?
Trying to figure this out.
What do you mean? I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't do anything wrong.
While we're here, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right this time to talk to a lawyer and have him present while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before questioning if you
Hey,
wish.
it's my dad. My
You
dad.
cannot-
Can you tell
You
him,
can
Dad,
decide at
I'm
any
being
time to
detained.
exercise these rights and not
Can you
answer any
answer
questions
that?
or make any statements. Do you understand these rights?
Dad, I'm being detained. I don't have no
arrested.
idea why I'm being arrested. There's no reason I'm being arrested. I tried to catch my flight in Miami.
Understand each of your rights that were explained to you.
Okay, but do you understand that I told him that I had a concussion? That's explained to me because I can't be here. I can't. I've already been in jail. I can't do it. I can't do it again.
Okay, are you going to listen or no?
I've been a good girl ever since.
Okay.
I've been in a... I swear to God.
I'm not going to explain it to you if you're just going to talk while I'm trying to talk.
Okay,
Yeah,
all I
it's the
try
right
to
one.
do is tell them that I have a concussion because my ex-boyfriend beat me.
Okay.
Okay? There's police reports about it.
All right.
Your arms.
Okay? My eyes
moving.
move because I have nystagmus.
Nobody cares
Listen to
about
me.
your eyes. Like, you're
Then
not,
why am I in trouble? I'm not drunk. I'm
because
not
you smell like alcohol.
because
They
I had a
said-
shot before I
Okay.
fucking wanted to go
And
on this
guess what?
flight.
Guess what? Every business has the right to refuse somebody
That's fine, but
service.
don't detain me. Don't throw me in jail.
You're not listening.
There's no reason.
Come on.
How about we just sit her in here?
It never happened. It never happened. I know. Okay, I will willingly tell you. Okay, I will tell you right now. I will miss. I will miss this flight. If that means that I didn't. If that means that I didn't. I didn't try that. I didn't passively do that.
Sit down.
Sit down right here.
No, you're doing this because I have a record.
No, we have no idea.
You're under arrest.
We have no idea what you're
I'm
record.
a non-threat.
Do you have a
So
record? I don't know if you have a record.
what do I do if I'm a non-threat? I am a non-threat. I'm a non-threat. I'm not going to jail. I'm not going to jail. Explain why I'm going to jail.
You want to wrap?
Hold on. No,
I think we can just
No, Schoenberg.
2 arms, 2 legs, and walk her over. Well, maybe one of these guys can help me carry the bag. And I'll help.
Okay, but I want to know.
You guys want to help me with the bag or help with her? I know. You got a bag? That's her stuff.
Hey, if you fucking deny me, just tell me. Like, it's okay, but like, my rights. What about my fucking rights, man? I'm making this flight, man. This is my fucking rights, dude. These are my fucking rights, man. These are my rights. These are my rights. Hold on, these are my rights. I'm catching that flight. These are my rights.
Hey, grab both of the legs. You got it? There you go.
So what am I doing? Can I talk to you?
All right, listen. Do you want more charges? Because that's what you're gonna get if you don't walk.
I need to be out so I can go see my mom and my dad. What are you guys gonna beat me in the corner? Holy shit, you're gonna beat me in the
bringing a
fucking
police car over here.
Holy shit.
Put your shoe on.
Put your shoe back on so your feet don't get all dirty.
No, for what reason am I being arrested? For what reason? This is listen. I don't know.
I'm going to be doing a basic search.
I don't know where you came.
I'm doing a basic search.
I don't know why. I'm not. No, I didn't trespass anything. I did not cross those lines.
You will be doing a more thorough search at the jail. Is there anything on you that I need to know about?
No, I need to get out.
I spoke with your father. He's expecting a call from you once you get there.
Listen, I didn't do anything. I'm telling you, I'm not under arrest for trespassing. I'm not under arrest for trespassing. Can I talk to Mr.
Nope.
Police?
You need to get in
No,
control.
I fucking know my rights. I fucking know my rights, bro. Let me fucking talk to the officer.
You're not going
Let me
anywhere.
talk to the officer. Let me talk to the officer.
All right,
Please.
you're gonna get more
You
charges if you
fucking
don't get in the
jackass.
car.
You white ass supplies my arrest.
If you
There's
don't get in the
no
car,
other-
we're gonna have to use force.
While resisting arrest.
That's fine. I'll have a conversation with you.
your
Tell
name?
them to let me go.
You want me to go to
Tell them
the
to let me go.
side?
Tell your officers to let me go. And we'll have a civil
Yeah, if we
conversation.
can shoulders first, pull her over.
We'll have a civil
I'll go to
conversation.
the other side.
All right.
No, we'll have a, I'm not resisting arrest. Tell me why I'm being arrested.
Can you grab her
Tell me
shoulder?
why I'm being arrested. Tell me why I'm being arrested.
We've told you 5 times.
No, wait, man. Hey, supervisor. Hey, supervisor. Brother, what the fuck are you doing? Brother, what the fuck are you doing? Why?
All suspects are innocent until proven guilty. Thank you for watching.